we should be focused. I don't know if we're not. So what I'm kind of thinking about doing going forward to introduce everyone to what we have kind of going on here and to bring them to the channel, thinking about doing car profiles. Now, car profiles are something that's very simple. It attaches a name to a car. It's little things like that. But anybody that's gonna incorporate my channel, I just wanna make sure that they obviously get the credit that they deserve for their cars and things like that. What makes that easy is that simply whoever I end up giving the camera to or put a name to a face, you can put a face to a car, you can make it easier. It's a little tough here because there's a few of us that work out of here and we're not all here at the same time, so it can be a little difficult to have everybody together. However, we've all come up with the agreement that we're gonna try to do our best to make sure everyone is here. But that doesn't mean that there aren't gonna be individual days. I'm sure Jet's gonna wanna pick up his camera and record or whatever, and we'll post it to the channel, or Daryl, me, if I work on any of the cars or the projects that I might have coming in and out within the next couple of weeks, months, and years. And so everyone's gonna be introduced to the channel. This is actually gonna be a lot more active than it has been in the past because I have people that are on board to actually help me out and contribute to this as well. Another thing that I should mention that is now that things are starting to be productive, I'm hoping this works. So like I was saying, I forgot where it was, anything in regards to the chaos and stuff that's going on out there, we couldn't control. A good portion of the months I had to get heaters installed, which took forever for that to happen. So that delayed a lot of work being done at the shop as well. So the last thing that I was saying, so it's chaos out there and it's chaos in here. So ultimately we know that it's chaos, stars are aligning, we can actually start to commit to doing things that we need to take care of for the sake of the shop, for the sake of this channel, and for the sake of what we're trying to do going forward. Still in the process of getting other things done here. So it's just been a chaos. Finally got things to start getting put in place. We kind of had like a group meeting, a family meeting, if you will, and everyone's on board to making sure that we can make this channel or just any uploads and stuff that we bring to be something that you all can really enjoy. I didn't want to make this a rant session, so I'm trying not to rant. More so, we've learned a lot in the last couple of years. At any point in time, any one of us might upload, pick up a camera, record, do whatever. You just have to be on the lookout for that. We're gonna get their Instagram handles. They're gonna be in the descriptions below. But I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet. It sounded like I was giving you guys a reason or I was pitching a proposal to you guys, and the truth is, I'm not. If you're gonna watch, you're gonna watch. If you're gonna hate it, you're gonna hate it. It is what it is. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing what I can, and we're all gonna do what we can. We just wanna be successful. We just wanna hang out, build cars, have fun, and do this shit like everybody else. But I don't want to sit here and lecture you all day. We got some cool stuff lined up. We've got cool builds on the way. We've got builds getting shipped out of here. Just let me know what you guys want to see. I kind of want to make it fun for everybody, but I want to make it fair as well for everyone that is involved to be involved. So yeah, I'm going back to cleaning and then we'll get to it.